Hello, friends! Today we will learn two important verbs in English, to be and to have. Let's learn them together. It's going to be fun. I am happy. I am happy. You are my friend. You are my friend. He is a boy. She is a girl. He is a boy. She is a girl. It is a cat. It is a cat. We are in the park. We are in the park. They are at school. They are at school. I have a toy. I have a toy. You have a pencil. You have a pencil. He has a car. She has a doll. He has a car. She has a doll. It has a tail. It has a tail. We have books. We have books. They have apples. They have apples.